This is Robert out here at McCarthy Hyundai in the beautiful Blue Springs. Just wanted to reach out to you and show you this 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe in the earth bronze color. Now this is the SEL all-wheel drive, super nice car. Now this earth bronze is a very hard color to get in an SEL in an all-wheel drive. Does have the aluminum alloy wheels, light tint from the factory, blind spot warning, super nice vehicle. Again, this is a 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe all-wheel drive in the earth bronze. Beautiful color. It's not a brown, it's not a gray, it's a bronze. Super nice vehicle. Again, this is the all-wheel drive. Does have the cloth interior. Does have your blind spot warning. There is your little insignia that says H-Track, which is the all-wheel drive. Does have your backup camera. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside while we're here. Back here. Does have your sunshade, which is super nice. Goes right there. Whoop. There we go. Lock it into place. Helps give it a little bit more security when people are looking through the glass. And also has your all-weather mats right here. Does have your little net, your first aid kit, little tray here, a little storage area right down here, right? And then it also has your tray underneath. And this has your backup camera right there. This is the Santa Fe, the SEL all-wheel drive. Blind spot warning, which is going to light up here in the mirrors. Really nice aluminum alloy wheels, as you can see right there. Super nice. It is the 17-inch wheel. Again, this is a 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe SEL 2.4 liter all-wheel drive. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seat with lumbar support. Right there is your blind spot warning, your lane keep assist. You can lock your all-wheel drive system on. It is your push button start and does have your automatic lights, as you can see right there. Voice recognition with mute button. Your smart cruise control right there. 231 miles on it. We got it from a sister store in St. Louis. Does have all your different settings. Okay. Go into your apps. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, AM/FM radio, Bluetooth, super nice. Heated seats, 3 levels of heated seats. And also your USB aux charging port, your electronic parking brake, your auto hold, auto off, different drive modes. So you have smart, sport, comfort. Let's go ahead and take a look how those change and look as you change those, which is really nice. So again, really nice interior. Does also have your Blue Link. I don't know how well you can see that in the video. There you go, Blue Link. Super nice interior. Seats and everything do fold down. It's a 60-40 split with the armrest in the middle and cup holders. Really nice vehicle. Let's go ahead and close this. And if you turn, you can turn your blind spot warning on and off right here, and you're going to notice that it lights up in the mirror. You can see that little, it turns like an amber color, and then if you hit your turn signal to go in that lane, it's going to start dinging at you. It's also going to show you right there if it's on or off. Okay. Your lane keep assist up there in the left hand corner. it's in white, that means it's on. When it turns green, it's active, okay? We're low on fuel. We're running on fumes, but that's okay. You know, we can get more fuel. So super nice vehicle. Go into your different settings, lane keep assist, all your different settings like that. Driver assistance, click into that. Driver assistant, smart cruise control reaction, hit back. Driver attention warning, normal sensitivity, high sensitivity. Warning timing, normal or later. All types of different settings. Forward safety, active. So it's going to prevent you from running into somebody. Lane safety, active lane keep assist, right there. We're going to turn that on. Turn on all these fun features. Okay. Safe exit assist, which is super nice, which is part of that button right there. So if you're on the side of the highway, and because we park on the right on the highway in the United States, and if you go to open your door and there's a vehicle on the way, it keeps you from opening the door and having mishaps, you know, injury and damage and things like that, which is super nice. Rear cross traffic alert, if you're backing up, all that fun stuff. Hit back. So all types of fun features. Let's go ahead and look on the outside again. So again, this is a 2020 Santa Fe SEL 2.4 liter, all-wheel drive, beautiful daytime running lamps. Look at those. I don't know how well you can see those in the video, but this is a super nice car. You get 3 years free maintenance, which is going to be your tire rotations, oil changes, oil filters. Has the best warranty, 5-year 60 bumper to bumper. Also has the 10-year 100,000 mile warranty. Now another really cool feature is that it will not allow you to lock the keys in the car. Let's trust that theory, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to turn it off. Push button. Here's the handy dandy key fob. All right, we're going to set it right here so we can act like it fell in the car somewhere. Hit this button. You hear that? Let's try it again. It's telling you that the keys are in it, so it will not allow you to lock the keys in the car, which is super cool. Now for safety, you know, all you have to do, if this is, you know, you're gonna notice that I'm not hitting any button at all, just this little black button. That will lock or unlock the vehicle, so you never have to take the keys out of your pocket or your purse. You know, great for safety. So super nice vehicle. Again, this is Robert out here at McCarthy Hyundai in Blue Springs. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.